Welcome back, seekers of abundance. Today, I bring to you an exciting and groundbreaking technique that has the power to attract money and abundance into your life like never before. Now, I know that we have already discussed various methods to manifest wealth and even shared tips on winning the lottery in our previous videos. Each technique has its own charm and effectiveness, but what works for one person may not work for another. That's why it's crucial to explore and experiment with different approaches, finding the ones that resonate best with you. But here's the catch. In this video, I am about to unravel a technique that is not only incredibly powerful, but also easy to use. It requires you to follow a precise process that has the potential to manifest money in your life faster than you ever thought possible. So, my dear friends, I urge you to stay tuned until the end of this video because what you are about to learn has the potential to transform your financial reality. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. I invite you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of the amazing techniques and insights we share to help you attract abundance into your life. Now, let's dive into this incredible technique that will open doors to financial prosperity. With the power of this technique, you can tap into the unlimited abundance that surrounds us. It's time to cast aside any doubts or limitations and fully embrace the process that will enable you to manifest money and abundance effortlessly. But remember, my friends, manifestation and attracting wealth require dedication and practice. So, I encourage you to try out all the techniques I previously shared and continue practicing the ones that resonate with you the most. Today, we are adding a powerful new tool to your manifestation arsenal, and I have a feeling it will become an integral part of your journey towards financial independence and prosperity. The magic awaits, my friends, so stay tuned and let's manifest a future filled with abundance and prosperity. All right, friends. Let's get started. One technique that has gained immense popularity is the pillow technique. This practice revolves around the power of visualization. Before you drift off to sleep, lay your head on your pillow and close your eyes. Take a moment to visualize your desired amount of money, seeing it as if it is already in your bank account. Feel the joy, the excitement, and the abundance that comes with it. See yourself using that money to better your life and those around you. The pillow technique taps into the law of attraction, allowing you to align your thoughts and emotions with the abundance you seek. By consistently practicing this visualization exercise, you are sending a clear message to the universe that you are ready to receive and manifest the money you desire. I would highly recommend checking out one of my videos where I discuss the pillow technique in great detail. Now let's explore the center of attraction of today's video, the wallet technique, a powerful method to raise your vibration and attract financial abundance. Imagine carrying with you a certain item or items that serve as daily reminders or sources of inspiration. It could be a small affirmation card, a meaningful symbol, or even a picture that represents your financial goals and aspirations. Whenever you open your wallet and see these items, it serves as a trigger to keep your focus on abundance and align your energy with prosperity. The wallet technique acts as a constant reminder of the wealth and abundance you are attracting into your life. Every time you see these items, it reinforces your belief in your ability to manifest money. This simple practice has proven to be a powerful tool in raising one's vibrational frequency and attracting financial prosperity. These techniques, the pillow technique and the wallet technique, have been embraced by countless individuals seeking to attract abundance into their lives. Allow me to share with you a story of how these practices transformed the life of Mark, a struggling artist. Mark had always believed in the power of the law of attraction, but he felt stuck when it came to manifesting financial abundance. In his search for answers, he came across the pillow technique. Every night before bed, Mark closed his eyes and imagined his bank account balance skyrocketing. He saw himself thriving financially, paying off debts, and living a life of abundance. The more he practiced this technique, the more confident and empowered he felt. Alongside the pillow technique, Mark also adopted the wallet technique. He placed a small card in his wallet with the affirmations: "I attract wealth effortlessly, and money flows abundantly into my life." Whenever he glanced at those affirmations, he felt a surge of positivity and determination. This constant reminder kept him focused on his financial goals and helped him maintain a high vibrational frequency. Months later, Mark's life began to transform. Opportunities to showcase and sell his artwork poured in, leading to financial gains he had never experienced before. The pillow technique and the wallet technique had become his powerful tools in attracting the money and abundance he desired. Mark's story is a testament to the power of these techniques and how they can manifest real and tangible results in our lives. By incorporating the pillow technique and the wallet technique into your daily practice, you too can shift your energy, align with abundance, and attract the financial prosperity you deserve. Friends, as we wrap up, I want to leave you with some key takeaways that can truly transform your financial reality. First and foremost, remember that money has to flow in order for us to prosper. Just like a river, money needs to circulate and move freely in our lives. By adopting an abundance mindset and being open to giving and receiving, we create space for money to flow effortlessly into our lives. One of the most powerful ways to attract money is through gratitude. When we express genuine gratitude for the money we have, we send a powerful signal to the universe. Gratitude opens the door for even greater abundance to flow into our lives. So, be grateful for every dollar that comes your way and watch as more money begins to manifest. By keeping your wallet filled with physical cash and having a visual reminder of abundance, you encourage a positive mindset whenever you look at it. This technique helps shift your focus from scarcity or reliance on credit or debit cards to the tangible and abundant presence of physical cash. It can help raise your energy and increase your belief in your ability to attract and manifest money. When you regularly practice the wallet technique, you lay the groundwork for abundance to flow into your life. Remember, it's not just about having money physically in your wallet. It's about the mindset and energy that come with it. Embrace the power of abundance and let it permeate your thoughts, feelings, and actions. I'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences with the wallet technique in the comments section below. If you're interested in learning more about manifestation and spirituality, our channel is here to provide you with valuable insights, techniques, and knowledge to help you create the life you desire. Finally, I want to express my deepest appreciation to each and every one of you for being a part of this community. Your support, engagement, and enthusiasm mean the world to us. Remember to always show your gratitude for the abundance in your life, big or small. This simple practice can make a significant difference in your financial reality. Thanks for watching the video till the end. May God bless you